Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video we are going to answer a Xenea wallet daily quiz for our 16 March. So as I promised to provide a daily quiz for Xenea wallet, so here today we are going to answer it together. So let's click on daily check, daily point. Great job, we have collected 111. So let's start with daily quiz. So the daily quiz for today, like it's what does clip mean in tokens? So the total meaning of clip in tokens it is a period during which investors do not receive tokens with shares. Okay. So let's click on submit. So congratulations to us, we have successfully click on the correct answer. So let's click on mission. So and again, don't forget to come on this spot. So it has a daily point that you need to collect. There's job. So here it is. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.